I'm curious, what kind of challenges have you run into? I know this is a huge uphill battle to go against the great big cleaning companies that are out there that have billions of dollars in advertising and marketing, and they've got on-site
Yes.
chemists that are doing lab work every day and they're trying new experiments and they're creating different versions of stuff. I love the fact that you're like, "Oh, get out of my way, I'm coming through." But what challenges have you faced?
My biggest challenge is probably the education part, getting people to actually believe that because I'm not big, give me a chance. I go into cleaning groups and I'm there to educate. I want to help these people. And if they have allergies or if they're having issues with just breathing or if they want to go natural, I want to help them. And that has been the biggest challenge to get people to make that change, to have less products. I see these caddies filled with stuff and I'm like, you don't need it. I think that's been my hardest thing is to get people to make that change. The people that have used the products, they're my superheroes. They share pictures. They talk about my product because they're proud and they've made that change. I don't have millions of dollars to pay for advertising. It's literally word of mouth. I think uphill battle is for people to have that in their mindset that they don't need 20 products to clean with.
I know that our rule is whatever you can fit in both hands is what you get to carry with you from the car to the customer's house. But what happens if you leave some stuff downstairs? It's now out of sight and it's not in your control anymore.
Exactly.
And you come in thinking, oh, this is my cleaning supply because I brought it in with me. But if it's out of sight and it's out of your control, anything can happen. If you spray that on a customer surface and it damages the surface,
Yep.
you are responsible. I can't reinforce enough. Bring less,
You don't need it.
consolidate. Yeah.
Yeah. You don't need it. Your job is to clean these people's homes. But if you truly love your job and love your clients, what are you putting in their house? Are you putting toxic stuff in their house for their kids to absorb? I want you to think you're walking to the house, and if you have your toxic products and you're spraying it on the floor and you're mopping the floor, what are you putting on the floor? What are those little kids doing? They're crawling and they're putting stuff in their mouth. So whatever chemical is on the floor, they're putting in their mouth. What are you putting on your stainless steel? Or let's say the mom is grabbing the handle and then she goes to prepare food. Think about your families. If you love your families and love your job, love what you're putting into their home, providing something that is safe, that you're not harming them. So really think about if you love your families, what are you bringing into their house?
I love that because it brings a new awareness to your responsibility as a house cleaner.
Yeah.
And if our job is to leave the world a cleaner place, we need to think about that in terms of chemicals and even the way that we
Yes.
handle products.